Disciplining a 2-year-old can be tricky. At this age, kids are learning to be independent and test boundaries. When they don't listen, it can be tough, but discipline is important for teaching them good behavior and limits. There are many simple ways to help guide your child. When your child misbehaves, stay calm. Use a firm but gentle voice to set rules. Being consistent helps your child know what to expect. If you stay calm, they can learn how to manage their feelings too. 2-year-olds don't understand long sentences. Use simple words to explain what you want. This helps them understand your message better. Make sure your child knows the rules. For instance, tell them that jumping on the couch is not allowed. Repeat these rules often, so they remember what's okay and what isn't. When your child behaves well, give them praise. Say things like, "Great job sharing your toys." This encourages them to keep doing good things, because they want to make you happy. If your child is acting up, try to redirect their attention to something else. If they are throwing toys, guide them to a different game or activity. This helps prevent tantrums and keeps them engaged. Children love routines. Make a daily schedule for meals, playtime, and bedtime. A routine helps your child feel secure and reduces confusion about what comes next. Show your child how to behave by being a good example. If you want them to share something with them first. They will learn by watching you. Remember, your child is still learning. It's okay if they don't get it right away. Be patient and acknowledge their feelings. This helps them feel understood and encourages better communication. Disciplining a 2-year-old can be tough, but using these simple strategies can help. With patience and consistency, you can guide your child toward better behavior and understanding.